everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we'll be unboxing the Lookfantastic July box, and this month it's a golden edition, and I believe the theme is Golden Goddess. We'll check that. Yes, it is. Right, so let's open the box. I want to open everything up, and here are the products. So the first thing is this reflecting shampoo. They had one of these in last year's June's box. Really like that one, so I'm eager to try this one. The size is perfect for traveling, and in this season a lot of us are going traveling, so that's great. Right, the next product is this UV Bronze After Sun from Filorga. This is a tan stimulator and it has 50 milliliters in it. Right, next is a face cleanser from Fast Aid Beauty. So this is a brand that comes back regularly in the boxes. It's really pearly. That looks funny. Next is a hydrating oil from Lancer. So this is a very tiny one. Let's open the box. It's so cute. So this is a very expensive brand, so I totally understand they put in a very small size. Right, next is a highlighter. Freematic highlighter in the color Sparked Ray. Oh, so they packed it really well. There's bubble plastic around it, and this is the highlighter, and take the cap off like this. Let's swatch it. I already have two other highlighters on my arm, but I will take one lower. So it's like a mixture of these other two. So that's a pink one, a golden, and then a more peachy one. So first impression is good. The last product is from SVR, and it's a gel mousse, purifying and exfoliating soap-free cleanser. There is also a spoiler for next month, the August edition, so spoiler alert, if you don't want to see it, then click away now. In next month's box there will be a molten brown shower gel. So I've tried these before. They smell really subtle and sophisticated almost. Alright, so what are my favorite products are definitely the shampoo and the After Sun. These are well chosen for the season, so that's great, and I will take these on holiday with me. One thing that I don't like that much is that there are two cleansers in there, and one of them is so small and it even says free sample on the back, so they didn't have to do that. And it's empty. Thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts about monthly beauty boxes? Do you think they're great for trying out products, or that they are a waste of money? I hope we will see you next time. Bye!